Is the start of the random acts of kindness, pay it forward. I'm a dealer technician and I'm gonna pick random people that really take care of their vehicles and come to the dealer and give us their business. I'm gonna pay for their oil changes today. Just to be nice, just to be kind, pay it forward. Found our first victim right here. He's gonna be the first pay it forward, random acts of kindness, and then he comes here all the time, does all his services. He's an older gentleman, takes really good care of his vehicle, actually appreciates it, so that's what I appreciate. I'm gonna take care of him. Let's go do it, grab the ticket and go pay. So he's closing out the paperwork and then I'm gonna go randomly act, right?
Yes, sir. Just checking on some accessories for my.
That's it.
I think it would be just an awesome thing to do.
Yeah.
So.
Boss me.
Right. Ford, that means boss. Everybody can call me boss.
Me?
Me. It's on YouTube.
Really?
So, yeah, it's I talk about a lot of stuff on there. Oil filters, oil changes, why the
You
manufacturer,
didn't call Porter up there, did
No.
you? Okay, I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah, you're good.
why the manufacturer's filter is probably arguably still the best filter.
Yeah.
You know, and it's kind of stuff like that. People just randomly.
Cool.
I do a lot of comparison stuff where I'll compare different oils on the market, and I'll actually take and cut the filters open and string them out, and show people the different components that are inside them to show them what they're actually using. Why?
I'm gonna definitely look you up.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Thanks very much. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Well, as you guys can see, that was a success. Customer was happy, thought it was great that I was doing what I was doing, and thanked me for it. Thank you guys. This is only the beginning of this series. I hope you stay tuned and encourage more people to do this type of stuff. Pay it forward, customer appreciation, random acts of kindness. Y'all be blessed.